Hi everyone, this is Vamshi, HBSc, third year, Jagityal, and today we are going to discuss about the different types of Ascocarps. Ascocarp is nothing but the sexual fruiting body. It is produced through the sexual reproduction, either through gametangial contact, spermatization, or somatogamy. Gametangial contact, in this there is the antheridium and ascogonium. Antheridium nuclei will be entered into the ascogonium through the trichogyne and spermatization. It is the spermatia will come in contact with the receptive hyphae and produces the dikaryon and somatogamy. The two opposite mycelium will come in contact with each other and the one nuclei enter into the another cell and form the dikaryon. And now let us know about the different types of Ascocarps. The first one is the naked assay. In this there is no peridium, hymenium, epithecium, this structure. So it is naked. With naked assay, it is example for it is taprenia and epithecium. In this, it is the flask shaped, club shaped, open club shaped, and then it produces the assay on the peridium wall, and this assay, all the assay in a one layer, it is called as the hymenium, and it in between there is sterile structures called as paraphysis, and above it the paraphysis and assay will form a layer called as epithecium. And example for it, epithecium is pygia and tuber. Perithecium, example for it is claviceps and xylaria. It is flask shaped and he similar to the flask shape. So and then it produces the peridium on which the assay are produced, and in between the assay there is a paraphysis, and it has a ostiole opening called ostiole, and through ostiole it will be dispersal. Ascospores are dispersal through the ostiole, and this paraphysis helps in the liberation and dispersal of ascospores, and it is this ostiole is covered with the periphysis. And now let us move to the clistothecium. Clistothecium, it is closed ball like structure or globose like structure. Example for it is erucium and eresephae. All the powdery mildew genera produces the clistothecium, and in this clistothecium it produces the peridium on which the assay are produced at different levels, and outer appendages are also produced: myceloid appendages, circeloid appendages, dichotomously branched appendages, bulbous appendages. These are seen in the powdery mildew. And ascostoma, next one is the ascostoma. In this ascostoma, stroma is the fungal modification in which matrices of tissue is formed. On this matrices of tissue, the locules or cavities are produced, and in these cavities the asci are produced. So it is called as the ascostroma, and in between this asci the pseudoparaphyses are produced. Pseudoparaphyses are the sterile structures which grow vertically and helps in the release of ascospores. And now, like next one in the ascostroma is pseudothecium. Example for it is venturia, and pseudothecium is similar to that of perithecium, and it produces the asci in a layer and peridium, and produces a periphysis. Thank you.